Food not cooking evenly in the Instant Pot Vortex? Try these basket fixes. If your food keeps coming out uneven, burnt on one side, raw on the other, or just patchy in texture, it's usually a loading or airflow issue. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Don't stack food or overload the basket. The Vortex cooks with circulating air, so you need space between pieces. Keep everything in a single, loose layer. Don't stack fries, crowd wings, or fill past 3/4 full. The hot air won't reach the lower food. Step 2. Always use the tray in the basket. The perforated tray lifts your food and lets hot air flow under it. If you cook without the tray, or it's missing, you'll get soggy bottoms and uneven browning. Make sure it's clean, dry, and seated flat before every cook. Step 3. Turn or shake food when prompted. If the screen shows turn food, remove the basket and flip or shake things around. The fryer auto-resumes in 10 seconds, so it's fine if you don't. But turning gives more even browning and helps crisp all sides. I use long-handled silicone tongs for this. They're gentle on the tray, and they keep your fingers clear of the heat when flipping wings or rotating chunks of food. Step 4. Clean the tray and bottom basket regularly. Old grease or crumbs can block airflow under the tray. If air can't circulate below the food, it'll cook slower or burn on top. Wipe the tray and basket after each use and check for buildup under the slats. Step 5. Use higher temperature or roast mode for dense foods. If you're cooking items like chicken thighs or thick breaded pieces, use the roast function instead of air fry, or raise the temp to 390 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That gives stronger top-down heat for thicker cuts. If this helped you get more even cooking in your Instant Pot Vortex, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your food's hard to flip or always ends up lopsided, I've linked the long-handled tongs I use below. They're heat-safe and work great with the basket. Thanks for watching, and spread it out.